I joined Future Generations Haiti. I didn't know anything about community. All my staff was doing accounting. And then when they talk about Future Generation University, and I was like, what was that? And for first, I had applied, and as you see the smiley, I was rejected. So the next year, I applied again. I was taken for this journey that we are talking about. And of course, I fell in love with everything. I fell in love with the meaning of community. So there start the journey. Of course, electricity or internet. So that was very difficult for me in terms of communication. I could not get more electricity for my laptop. I had to do many sacrifices because I really wanted to be part of that my own journey. I have turned this community lab into a project. So the project or economic empowerment project for peace. We have trained 10 women on economic empowerment project. They return something to the community. So with their profit, they have supported school materials for children. They have supported other persons that cannot do anything like businesses in their community. And then I participated in the Davis Project for Peace competition. So I have been the winner of this competition. And I was so excited because this mean that I am doing something, that I am really part of something, and I can make difference